How to find your PayPal statement. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can easily find your PayPal statement. The first thing you have to do is open up your PayPal and make sure that you are logged in. And from here, the next step is to find the gear icon at the top right corner, right beside the logout option. Simply head over to your profile. Once you land on your account page, you'll find different tabs up top like Account, Security, Data and Privacy, Payments, Notification, Seller Tools, and then Statements and Taxes. Head over to the last tab, Statements and Taxes, and then click on it. Once you get there, you should be able to see all of your tax documents, and you could also select the years if you click on the drop down. You'll be able to see your yearly tax documents. And right below that, you have your statements. If you click on the all transactions, you'll be able to see all of your statements regarding PayPal, which is sorted for you according to its date. So you can click on any one of those date, month, and then you can download its statement. That's how you basically see all of your statements in PayPal. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.